Very good morning to all my lovely Patans. So I am back again with your GK class. So till now we have completed our 10 chapters. Okay. So today we are going to do chapter 11, that is specialized doctors. So everyone just take out your GK books, keep your stationery ready with you, and we'll start now. Okay. So let's start. So this is your chapter 11, specialized doctors, page number 17. So everyone just take out your books and open page number 17, and at the top of the page we are going to write the date. So the date is, today is 19th of July 2021. Okay. And this chapter can come in the form of match the following, one word answers and MCQs. Okay. So specialized doctor means what? We know that there are different doctors who are specialized to cure different diseases. So अलग अलग डॉक्टर्स होते हैं जो एक पर्टिकुलर डिज़ीज़ के लिए स्पेशलाइज्ड होते हैं, यानी कि उसमें वो एक्सपर्ट होते हैं. लाइक आप if there is some problem in your ear, nose or throat, you go to an ENT specialized doctor. जो ENT में E for ear, N for nose, T for throat. So जो ENT का स्पेशलिस्ट होता है आप उसके पास जाते हैं. In the same way, suppose if there is a pain in your teeth, you go to a dentist because he is specialized in that. Okay. So in the same way, we have different doctors who treat, who cure different diseases. Okay, like here we can see the pictures. So one by one we are going to match them, and you have to write the number at the back. यहाँ पे back side पे we are going to write the numbers. No one will use the lines to match. Okay. So first here is dermatologist. Dermatologist is a doctor who studies and treats skin disease. So जो डॉक्टर स्किन स्पेशलिस्ट होता है, we call it dermatologist. So you have to match it, the first one with the H, and you have to write here 1. Okay, write the number 1 at the back here. Now next is surgeon. So surgeon is a doctor who perform medical operations or surgery. So surgeons वो डॉक्टर्स होते हैं जो ऑपरेशंस करते हैं, सर्जरी करते हैं. Okay. So you have to match it, the second one, surgeon with the surgery. So we'll write here number 2. Then we have pediatrician. Pediatrician, you can see the picture here. The doctor who treats the diseases of children. जो बच्चों के डिजीज़ को क्योर करते हैं, ट्रीट करते हैं, we call them pediatrician. Okay, so we'll match pediatrician with the children. So write number 3 here. You can see the picture also. Now next we have is veterinarian. Veterinary, अगर हम सिंपल वेटनरी वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं तो वेटनरी इज़ यूज्ड फॉर द डॉक्टर्स ऑफ एनिमल्स. अ डॉक्टर हु डील्स, हु is well qualified to treat disease or injured animals. So जो veterinarian doctors होते हैं, they are specialized to treat animals. So we'll write number 4 here. Okay. So अगर किसी भी एनिमल को, like dog, cat, anything, any pet you have at your home, so for them we have to go to a veterinary doctor or veterinarian. Okay. Next is psychiatrist. Next is psychiatrist. Psychiatrist is a doctor who is trained to treat people with mental health or illness. You can see the picture here. She is a psychiatrist, and this person may have some mental health or illness issue, so she is treating. Psychiatrist means mental, अगर आपको स्ट्रेस हो रही है, आप काफ़ी स्ट्रेस हो और आपको मेंटली आप बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब हो, तो उस केस में वी हैव टू विजिट टू अ साइकेट्रिस्ट. ओके, सो match the psychiatrist with the mental health. So we'll write number 5 here. Okay, now the sixth one, dentist. You can see the picture here. So as I told earlier, dentist is a doctor who look after our teeth, जो हमारे teeth को treat करते हैं, whatever disease may have in our teeth. So to cure that, we go to a dentist, we visit a dentist. So dentist we have to match with the teeth, so we'll write number 6 here. Okay, now coming to the next, we have orthopedist. So orthopedist is a doctor who treat injuries to the bones. So जो bones से related injuries होती हैं, हड्डियों से रिलेटेड जो भी इंजरी होती हैं, चोट होती हैं, उसको ट्रीट करने के लिए वी गो टू अ ऑर्थोपेडिस्ट. ओके, सो विल राइट हियर number 7, bones. Now next we have neurologist. So neurologist is a doctor who studies nerves and treats their disease. सो न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट वो डॉक्टर हैं जो नर्व्स की स्टडी करते हैं और उनसे रिलेटेड डिजीज़ को ट्रीट करते हैं, ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं उनकी. सो विल राइट हियर number 8. Okay, now next is optometrist. So optometrist is a doctor who examine people's eye for both vision and health problem. So if we have some disease or some health issue related to our eyes, so we go to a, you can see the picture here, optometrist. We go to a optometrist. So eyes से related कोई भी problem होती है, so we used to go to a optometrist. So we'll write here number 9. Okay, now coming to the next, we have the 10th one, oncologist. So oncologist is a doctor who treats cancer patients. So जो कैंसर को ट्रीट करते हैं, उन डॉक्टर्स को जो सिर्फ इसी के लिए स्पेशलाइज्ड होते हैं, उनको हम कहते हैं ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट. सो विल राइट हियर number 10. ओके, now the 11th one is cardiologist. So a cardiologist is a doctor who specializes in treating हार्ट डिज़ीज़. सो हार्ट से रिलेटेड कोई भी इशू होता है, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम, कोई भी डिज़ीज़ होता है, वी गो टू अ कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट. सो विल राइट number 11 here. ओके, and also a doctor who treats blood related disorders is called hematologist. सो ब्लड रिलेटेड कोई भी हमें प्रॉब्लम होती है, सो जो डॉक्टर ट्रीट करते हैं उसको वी कॉल इट हेमाटोलॉजिस्ट. ओके, so you have to learn this chapter and you have to complete it in your book, and as I told you, it can come in the form of match the following, one word answer, multiple choice questions. So you have to prepare accordingly. If anyone is having any doubt, then you are welcome. Your questions, your doubts are always welcome. Just feel free to ask. Okay, so this is your chapter. So everyone has to do this and learn as well, and wherever if you have any doubt, I am here to help you. Okay, so do this. We'll meet in next class. Till then, take care of yourself and we'll meet again. Okay, just wait for me. Bye everyone.